Hello everyone, this video is about how to replace a trim lock for the AL360 Carbone Wishbone E3. Here's the new part which I received from AL360, and this is the rivet which needs to be placed in there. And here's my old part, what I would like to replace. I fixed it here because I have to drill this rivet out without touching the carbone, just the top end, and remove the rivet then from inside. For that purpose I have ordered a special rivet tool, which is also ready for using stainless steel rivets for €23 on eBay. And what else? I fixed it with some straps from my car in order not to have it moving around, and also to be able to cool it with some water that was recommended by AL360. And further, I have purchased a special driller. It's a titanium driller for metal, because the rivet is stainless steel, so it's pretty hard, and that's why, yeah, this one. Here we are already taking the cold water and the driller, and then we are starting. Einfach laufen. Ja. Mach mal auf. Geht ja ganz schön schnell. Noch ein bisschen. Noch ein bisschen. Okay, so this went pretty fast. It's already open. That's it. And the rest will be pushed through. Okay. Track durch. Hast du gefilmt? Jetzt zeig mal. Now we are removing this part. The trim lock, the old trim lock. I hope it will move. Oh, it doesn't move at all. Oh, here we go. You can hear it. It's already inside the wishbone, and now I'm taking off this cap. That's the old rivet. This is when we put again the cap, you need to put some silicone in order to avoid water to get inside. So I clean up the wishbone end a little bit, and now it's time to snap the new trim lock. Okay, second try. I'm using a screwdriver to help me to find the hole when pushing it back, the trim lock, and to make it really straight on top of the hole. Wait, lass mal los.
Hast du es?
Here we go. There is the hole. So now we have the new rivet in the hole. Jetzt kannst du Pause machen. Bereit bist.
Ja, jetzt.
Okay, now we put ich muss es aufmachen. The tool, and I need to open it in order to have it, to open it completely, to go down. Okay, and now I'm pulling it. I think I need 2 or 3 times. 1, 2. Finished.